So this is the second video on our video cloning, all right, on our cloning, all right. So don't forget, in the previous video I showed you how to do all the how to cut out the areas that you don't, that are not part of the video, and then how to join, how to use mask to divide your video and all of that. If you've not watched that video, just check the description. You are going to see the link at the description, or you check the comment section. You are going to see the link to the video, where you are going to know how we started this particular video. So what we are going to be using now is the app called capcut. In the previous in the previous video we used video leap, all right. So but here we are going to use capcut. Make sure you watch the first video so that you can understand what you are doing here. All right, so I want to go and import the video that we have created already from the first video, which is this one. You can see that made with so I will click on add. All right, so after clicking on add, let's play so that you see what we just did in the previous video. You can see that. Let's watch and see what we did. So this is what we have been able to achieve from the previous class. If you follow that class, you know how we did all of this. Okay, I'm going to throw this cloth now and it's going to turn to me. You can see that. Oh my god. Let us play to end. Okay, I may not allow you to play to end because of our time. All right, so what majorly I want to show you in this particular video, why I'm making this second video, is to show you, is to add all the transitions, all the effects, more especially effects that I use for this disappearing, to add all the disappearing effects. So I'm going to add it the moment I was trying to sit down, which is here. I'm going to add it. To add that effect, I'll simply go to effect. You can see effects. I'll click on effects. Here we have two different effects. We have video effect, we have body effect. I'll click on video effect. If you come here, you have several effects. So the particular effect I want to use is on nightclub. I will scroll down. Don't forget, if you are using this, your what's it called, your data need to be on. If your data is not on, it's not going to work. All right, if your data is not on, some of these features is not going to open. So I click on this shockwave. All right, that's what I want to use for that particular place. Let's play it again. You can see that. All right, but before this empty background, we had an effect on it. Let me see the effect we have. Can just choose any effect. This effect is okay. All right, I will soon add a background sound. Let me add all the effects first. Okay, first of all, this place where I have this effect, let me add Let me add a background sound or sound effect. Let me add a sound effect. I think this sound effect is okay for it. I believe you can see that it is becoming like what you saw. So here, let me see. I want to add a. So we are going to search for the best sound that will fit in for this. I think I'll go to background music. Let me use this. I'll use this. Let me reduce the volume. Alright, let's play. You can see our background sound now. Once you come here, you can duplicate it by clicking on double. So this place where I go to effects, nightclub again. We are going to use the same effect. All right. So the next thing too is to go to audio, go to effects, go to under effects, you go to fight, then you add explosion. Add explosion. You can now see that I pick the drink. I want to duplicate my background music. Background music, I think it should come here so that it will not. Yeah. So here that I will disappear again, I'm still going to alright, I will still go to effect again. Under nightclub, I will choose the same effect. After choosing the same effect, I'll go to audio, go to effect again, choose explosion. So I will duplicate this, copy, shift it. So I will disappear again. This place I disappear, I'll go to effect again. I will choose the same effect. Choose the same effect. Still go back to my audio, go to effect, choose explosion. Let's play it again. So you can now see, so where the main work is actually on the voice notice, the background is too much, it's too long, so I will cut it and delete it and then trim this one. You can see where the major work is in the previous video, where we cut out the areas that we don't want and merge together. So but for this particular video, it's just to add transition, to add effect, to add background music, and also to add um background effects. You can see that. So I think this will be the end of this particular video. I believe by now you must have gotten every single thing that we did, and you can actually do your own. All right, by watching this video, you'll be able to produce your own video. This place where I put out this cloth, if I want to add transition, let me see what I will do now. Let me go to effect and see if I will have effects that will, okay. um I think this effect is okay. Let me use this effect. Right. Just like I said, if you want to make sure you leave a void, empty space at the beginning, you can see that. Leave empty space at the beginning. If it's too long, you can cut it. Leave empty space at the beginning and also at the end. You can see the beginning. All right, it's writing made with video lip, because that was what we used to edit it in the previous video, and we use the free version. If you need the pro version, just send me a message so that you can get the pro version for a lifetime. Is that okay? So that is just it for this particular video. All right, thank you for staying tuned. If you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to see this kind of video in the future. All right, and if you have not watched the first video, check the description or you check the comment section for the link to that video. All right, always check the description for more information. You can send me a message on WhatsApp for more information. So after editing with this app, the way to save on this app is you simply go to, at the top you see an arrow facing up. You click on the arrow. Immediately you click on the arrow, it has started saving. Once it's finished saving, it will appear on your files. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.